Hey, what's up, physed family? It is another cold and rainy day out here, but this is day 3 of PE at home, and today's activity is garage door challenges. So if you want to follow this entire series, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to collaborate with other PE teachers and share different resources, then you're more than welcome to join my Facebook group, which is called the PE Lounge. And then if you want any of the write-ups or the worksheets that go with any of these challenges, you can check out my website, which is called pewithmrg.com. So there's 2 things that you're going to need today. Number 1 is something that you can throw and catch. And so I'm actually going to be using a tennis ball. And then number 2, something that you can make a shape with. So I actually have painter's tape that I'm going to be using, but you can also use chalk as well. If you want the challenge worksheet, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below as a Google Sheet. That way you can share it or make any changes. All right, so for level 2, we're going to go ahead and build a shape on the garage. Now, you can either use painter's tape, like I said, or you can go ahead and use chalk, as it's going to wash off. Now, I'm going to give you a hint, though. The bigger your shape is, the easier this is going to be, and the smaller your shape is, the harder it's going to be.
go, go.